Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you from my IELTS masterclass, guys. This is my IELTS masterclass, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you or tell you how to use IELTS writing answer sheet. I've got this IELTS writing answer sheet. So I'm going to tell you how to use this IELTS writing answer sheet and what are the careless mistakes, silly mistakes which candidates usually do and how to avoid those. The first thing is you need to write your name and all that. I'm not going to go into that. You can see here they have written task 2, okay? And if you come back, actually it is like this. They have written here task 1. Okay, now if you write anything related to task 1, you will write it here. Task 2, you will write it there. And remember, sometimes students don't know, you can ask for extra answer sheet in IELTS writing module. I repeat, you can ask for extra answer sheet on IELTS writing module. If anything goes wrong, instead of rubbing it all, just cross it and then get an extra answer sheet and write it there. Examiner will check that. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, basically, they encourage you to use pencil on your writing answer sheet. Although you can use pen as well. On answer sheet, pens are allowed, but I would advise you to use pencil and try to use the darker pencil. That is, I think, HB or 4-number pencil. That is the dark one. Okay. Now, as you write your answer, number 1, there must be proper paragraphing. You know what happens? Examiner is going to check this thing on computer screen. What they do after you are done, they put it on scanner, this side, everything on scanner, and then it will go to Cambridge IELTS portal, and from there examiners will access and check it. So it is going to be marked on computer. Therefore, number 1, use darker pencil. That is very, very important. Otherwise, on screen, it's not going to be very clear. And if it is ambiguous for the examiner, examiner will give you low band score due to the doubt of ambiguity and all that. So be careful with that thing, okay? Now, what you guys have to do, you need to mark clearly that this space is for task 1, that space is for task 2. Even when you get extra answer sheet, they have separate answer sheets for task 1 and separate answer sheets for task 2, and you have to do, you got to add it there as well. But these are the procedures invigilators will tell you about that. Okay, I was telling you about paragraphing. I would suggest you all, can you guys see these are the block lines? We've got narrow lines, wide lines. These are the wide lines. So in wide lines, when you finish a paragraph over here and you start the very next paragraph from here, these two paragraphs from here, they will be looking like they are mingled paragraphs, right? Therefore, I advise you all that after each paragraph, leave a line. For example, you are writing a report. Now, first you got to write introduction of the report. That may come in 2 to 3 lines. Then leave a line. Then write overview of your report. Again, it might take 3 to 4 lines. Then leave a line. Okay, so when you finish a paragraph, you must give 1 line space. That is important. This is how your writing will look proper. Your essays, the paragraphs will stand out. They will be standing out. Okay, so examiner will have examiner will have this comfort to understand your writing, and you will be able to get good band score. Now let's talk about writing task 2. Same thing you have to do with writing task 2. This is writing task 2 here. Write introduction. It might take 4 lines or 3 lines. Then give 1 line space. Then write, first of all, for examiner, it's going to be something luxury that, oh my God, so neat and clean, paragraph stand alone, that will bring you good band score. Then again, leave a line and go to next paragraph, complete the paragraph, leave a line, go to next paragraph and all that. And if you need answer sheet for essay, demand answer sheet for task 2. If you need answer sheet for letter or report, then demand answer sheet for writing task 1. Now, the next thing is students generally ask me how to count the words. You know, it's not easy because you are writing, you have to proofread and all that. So it's not convenient that you're counting the words like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 47, 48, 49, 72, 73, 74, 89, 89 or 79. Oh my God, let's start again. Okay, you know, during the exam, your senses leave you and you become nonsense during the exam. This happens with everyone, right? Now, easiest way to check or to count the words. For example, in one complete line, count the number of words here. Again here, count the number of words, second line. And third line, count the number of words. For example, in line 1, you wrote 8 words. In line 2, you wrote 7 words. In line 3, you wrote 9 words. Total words are 24. 24 divided by 3, that is equal to 8. It means you are writing 8 words per line as an average. Now count the total number of lines. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out of 16, you have left one line in the paragraph. 15 into 8. Right? It's going to be like 120. So total 120 words are here. So this is the easiest and best way to count the words. And I advise you not to write just 150 words for task 1 and just 250 words for task 2. Try to write minimum 200 words for task 1. And all right, let's make it maximum, but don't write 150. Write maximum 200 words for task 1, and you should follow this maximum threshold. For task 2, you must write 300 to 350 words, something between 300 to 350 words, that is going to be fine. So guys, this answer sheet, if anything goes wrong, you are using pencil, erase it, all right? And if after erasing that, you see still the engraving is there, don't write on that because it is going to go on scanner and then examiner will have the electronic version. Examiner will have the electronic version of this thing. So be careful with all that, okay? I truly wish you all the best, wherever there are any mistakes or silly mistakes the students do, I try to cover all these areas for you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Very soon I'm going to hit 1 million. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck from IELTS Masterclass. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.